We at Euro Campers are excited to introduce our new Stargazer campervan. This video will guide you through its features. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us. The fuel cap is located by the petrol-engraved lever above the gas pedal. Remember, the camper must be refueled before return. It has automatic transmission, so ensure your foot is on the brake when shifting gears and release the handbrake before driving. To park, shift to park and engage the handbrake. The gas bottle powers the stove. It's off when you leave the depot. Turn the yellow lever and green knob to switch it on. For the stove, lift the glass cover, hold the button, press the knobs, and rotate to ignite. Hold for a few seconds until the flame stays. Turn off the knobs when done. Switch on the water pump to use fresh water. If the electrical switches aren't working, check the power switch behind the driver's seat. For campsite electricity, connect the power cable to the camper and the powered site, ensuring it's turned on. To fill the fresh water tank, use the garden hose from the cabin. Attach one end to the camper and the other to a tap. The wastewater hose is in the cabin. Attach it to the camper, lock it, place the other end at the dump station, and release the lever. Once done, close the lever and replace the cap. Empty the toilet cassette every 2 to 3 days at a dump station. Ensure the toilet lever is closed, remove the cassette, empty it, and replace it until it clicks back in. To use the fridge, ensure the switch is on. Press the fridge's power button and adjust the temperature. Hold the power button to turn it off. To set up the lower bed, remove the table, stow it, Place the wooden board in its place and arrange the cushions. Bedding is provided. For the upper bed, pull the mattress forward. Enjoy stargazing through the window. Now that you know how to operate the Stargazer camper van, you're ready to enjoy a comfortable and seamless trip.